Fix here. Home service ako ngayon guys, today's video. Toyota Genuine Oil 2GD FTB engine. Okay, so guys, yun. First 5,000 change oil. Hilux Tamaro. Manual. MS. Clean or brakes, change oil. First 5,000 kilometer PMS. Toyota Hilux Tamaro. Here at King's Fix. Hey guys, King's Fix here. Home service. Toyota Innova. Ayan o. Change oil. And PMS. Final brakes. Palit din ng fuel filter. Papapalit din ng drive belt. T2023. Yan guys. Bili kayo ng original guys yung ito. Make sure original parts para quality tayo guys. King's Fix here. Ayan o. Ayun guys, at papalit na kami ng ayan, drive belt. Kasi 5 years na rin to. And stock pa lang, original. Ayan, ito yung papalit. Ayan guys. T2033 para sa 1GD engine, 2GD, same lang yan. Fuel filter. Ayan. Oy. Natapos din. Change oil, replace ng belt, fuel filter, and PMS service. Yun o. Test drive tayo. Yun o. Toyota Innova. Guys, tapos din. Toyota Innova. King's Fix here. Yun o.